Adriano, how are you?
I'm good, and you, Javier?
Good, thank you very much for having us here.
Thank you for coming.
So we're here at the Autódromo Internacional del Alcabre, right?
Correct.
Did I say right?
Yeah, that's it. Perfect.
So this is like a preparation lap for drive the I-Pace.
Yes, we're going to do 2 laps in the F-Type.
Okay.
It's the 2-liter engine with 300 PS and goes from 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds.
Okay.
Then those 2 laps serve as a sighting lap. Then we're going to do 3 laps in the I-Pace.
Excellent. So we go?
Yes.
Should we put it in
it is already in dynamic mode, as you can see in the cluster there. I would suggest you to put the gearbox into sport mode.
So that will be like to make the automatic changes, or I'll be making...
You've got the 2 options. You can let the car change gear for yourself, for you, automatically, or you can change gear on the paddle shift.
So honestly, I think like a lot of people think that like this is cool or like better to have the control of the transmission, but
yeah,
in reality, this is much better than any driver, right?
You're quite right. Yes. So feel free to do so. Feel free to let the car change gear for yourself. In this occasion, it will be better for you because you are doing 2 laps to remember the track.
Yeah,
and
concentrate on the driving part of it.
That's right. So unless you're really good at gear change, you then do the gear change. But what I mean is, you are trying to remember the track and get ready for the driving of the I-Pace.
Too much information coming in at the same
time.
There
we go.
Right?
That's perfect, Javier. Feel free to go and join the track. And as you remember from the briefing, we put some cones there to allow you to know where to brake. Then in sequence, you go to the following cone, and then the other cone, which is the last one, will be showing you the apex of the corner.
We have some traffic now.
Yes, that's right. We stay right here for that reason. And then, once you go around here, look up ahead of yourself on the left side there. You can see the next cone. Now you turn into the cone on the inside, go to the left side there. Then you brake firmly, going straight all the way down there. Then you're turning, compromise the exit of the corner because you want to go to the cone on the right. We'll take them, turn into the cone on the left here. Let the car run wider to the right side there. Okay, It seems like you just tapped the paddle shift.
I know, my mistake.
Brake, stay on the brake firmer, then coming off the brake as you're turning. Turn it tight into the cone, let the car run wider to the right side of the track. Now turn into the curb on the left side, remain on the left side here. Then brake, look up to the cone on the inside, follow it, and then look up to the next 2 cones. Brake firmly now, Javier. Good. Stay on the apex here. Let the car run to the left side. Now in diagonal, going to the right. Keep the power on. Straight to the next cone on the right side. Lift off the power a little bit. Turning. Now back on the power to balance the car to the corner. Straight line here, Javier. Now brake at the 2 cones. Allow the car to go all the way to the left there. And then you turn it tight into the right. Now go to the cone on the right side. Lift off the power a little bit as you turn. Then back on the power now. Go to the 2 cones on the right side and brake. Brake firmly to the cone. We turn a little bit early this time. Now gradually accelerating on the way out the corner. Brake. Now look on the inside of the corner, Javier. Looking forward to the apex cone. Then you accelerate and let the car run to the left side. The following corner, you don't need to brake. Lift off the power. Now, just go left a little bit, then back on the power. You can go flat out, letting the car go left there. Use the whole width of the track, Javier. Just move to the left there. You've done 1 lap, we're gonna do 1 more, and then we come to the pits. Looking up ahead, you can see the 2 cones. You can keep on going, then brake. Brake firmly to the cone down there. Off the brake as you're turning. Let the car go to the left side there. Turning to the apex here. Go to the left. And then brake in a straight line to the left side here. Across your hands. As soon as you see the hazard, they will let you go past, okay? Now, turn into the cone on the left and wait. Are they doing it or not? Yes, he didn't give you the hazard, okay? Now you're braking, hold on the back of this guy.
Okay.
That's no problem at all. Go on the left side, get on the button, go to the right side now. Put your foot in, flat out, and go to the left. Keep on going. Keep on accelerating here. Keep going. Brake a little. Off the brake as you turn, back on the power. Accelerate to the left side. Then brake on the left side there. Off the brake, turning the wheel tight. Now squeeze the power on the left side, and then go straight in diagonal here. Keep the power on and go right. Lift off a little bit and turn. Back on the power now. Let's go, Javier. Stay straight. Just keep on going on the straight line. Let the car go all the way to the left down there. Come off the brake and turn it tight here. On the power now and go to the right side. Lift off a little bit and turn. Back on the power now. Full power to the right side there. And then brake on the right side here. Come off the brake and turn. Wait, turn a little bit more. Now get on the button, go to the right. Then flat out to the left there. Now come off the brake and turn. Just keep on turning here tight. Now you're going to the pits, okay?
Wow, that's pretty good.
Good, glad you enjoy.
Enjoy even the traffic a little bit so you can get a little bit of an idea. Sometimes it's not a good idea. Ooh, the bird, almost. Yeah, this is fun. This is a fun track.
Good, it is. It's an incredible challenge track.
Very technical. Reminds me a little bit of COTA, Circuit of the Americas in Austin.
All right, I've never been there, unfortunately.
That's the Formula One for the US, for now. They're talking about doing a Formula One race on the streets in Miami.
Yes.
I don't know if that's going to happen,
but that's going to be an addition.
Yeah.
In replacement of.
I think Azerbaijan, they're going to get off the schedule.
Come to the right here, please. A little bit slower here. Let's see where the blue car is going to stop. You're going to park. Go a little bit to the right and then turn left now. Full lock. Just go a little bit further forward. Watch my colleagues there. Stop there.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you. So now the I-Pace, the electric one.
That's right. Let's go to the I-Pace now.
An iconic sports car, marked out by the way it handles, the way it responds. On the F-Type, it starts with its chassis, steering, and suspension systems. The chassis is made with aluminium, which is both stiff and light, enabling you to swiftly change direction without losing composure. The electrically power-assisted steering is perfectly weighted, becoming firmer as you go faster for precision control and an enhanced direct drive feel of the road. The all-round double wishbone suspension enhances handling further by maximizing contact between the tire surface and the road. Unrivaled driving enjoyment. Brought to you by the F-Type. The F-Type features streamlined seats that offer a greater range of seating positions. Constructed with magnesium, they're over 8 kilograms lighter than before, yet provide greater comfort and more lateral support. Dynamic driving never felt so good.